Given two equations, determine if the lines are parallel, perpendicular, have the same x-intercept, have the same y-intercept. Okay, since we want to know the x and y-intercepts, we're going to make them all standard. So in this problem here, I'm going to move the 4x over here. So I'm going to have -6 equals 4x minus 2y. And then I'm going to flip the whole thing around. Now then, this is my standard form, isn't it? To get the equation of standard form, you do -a over b. So you're going to have -4 over -2, which would be 2. So this is our slope. Okay, our x-intercept would be 4x equal -6. Our y-intercept would be -2y equal -6. This is going to end up being -3 over 2. This over here would end up being y equals 3, wouldn't it? So this is our x-intercept, this is our y-intercept. Now we're going to do this one. I'm going to move the 3x over here and the 18 over here. So what's the opposite of -3x? I'm trying to move the x so it's positive. The opposite of -3x is 3x. The 6y stays put. And the 18 is going to go from the left to the right. It's going to switch to 18. My slope is going to be -a over b. So the a is 3, and the b, is going to be 6. This will simplify to -1/2. Okay, so my slope here is 2. My slope here is -1/2. It's the negative reciprocal in it. So these lines are perpendicular, aren't they? Because the slopes are negative reciprocals. Now then, let's get our intercepts. 3x would be 18. That's our x-intercept. Our y-intercept is 6y equal 18. X would end up being 6, and y would end up being 3. These lines have the same y-intercept, don't they? So they have the same y-intercept. Remember, to get your intercepts, you want them in standard form. When you have them in standard form, -a over b will give you the slope. And then that way you can get your slopes easy.